Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how can you add a green screen effect in your videos in iMovie. So let's get started. But before going further into video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe it. Now to add green screen effect, we first need to add a video on which we want to apply the green screen effect. So let me choose a video, and after that choose the video of green screen. It may be your video or it may be any special effect. This effect applies on all types of green screen. So let me also add that particular video. Remember that you have to put the green screen video on the top of your video. Now if I start the video, you can see that only we are able to see the green screen but not our video. Now when you add a green screen video and select it, you'll get another setting here, and in that setting you'll get four options, and one of them is green screen setting. So when you click on it, you can see that our green screen effect has been applied to the video. So if I start the video, you can see that the smoke is coming from my video, not the green screen video. So this is how you can add green screen effect in a video in iMovie. So if you like the video, then do subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button.